Welcome back, YouTubers. Still here in Arizona. We're in North Scottsdale area. We're going for a date night as we just got engaged. Woohoo! So we're going to Vic and Olas tonight. Been here several times. Very popular spot up here at what's called DC Ranch. So let's go inside, check it out, and have some great Italian food tonight. Alright guys, so the menu at Vic and Olas. Such a cute little place. Lots of amazing options on here. Alright, so we went with the Mista salad. Looks fantastic. Look at the presentation. And a couple glasses of wine. Alright, Nicole went with the Pomodoro. Looks amazing, gluten-free. And I went with the sausage and peppers. I've had this dish before and it's outstanding. Definitely recommend this one. Alright guys, that was fantastic. Another great dinner. Hope you guys liked. Like and subscribe. Check you next time.